Hiya people, thanks for tuning in. Just before today's tool haul, I'd like to show you no matter how rough the item starts, you can always get a good finish with these two short clips. Leave it in the comments, do you prefer metal finish or would you rather it had a painted finish? Okay, onto today's tool haul. It don't look much, but there's a fair bit of work involved here, and I'll show you to take these to restoration level. Goop, it's a hand cleaner, but it gets all the black out of the scratches. It comes up absolutely lovely after this. I accidentally caught that little red circle in the middle, which is made from plastic, with the buffing wheel. This has been over to the buffer, come back, and it went green down one edge, and I thought I'd ruined it. But using goop, an alcohol wipe, and an electrical screwdriver, I managed to clean that little red circle back up to new. So this just got a general good clean, a buff on the buffing wheel, wipe with the alcohol wipe, and a bit of goop right now. And I'm very pleased with this one. And the rear of that first tape measure came out lovely. So back to what they all look like at the start, and remember these rusty old things that I was throwing about? Nice rusty colour. They turned into this. And here's the smaller brother of the pair. So here's what they look like before. And here's what they all come out like. Quite an improvement, I think. Stay tuned if you want to see how much work it takes to shine up a Stanley 199 like that one. And the reflection test. If you've got the holiday Monday off tomorrow, have a good one. I haven't, I'll be working. Think of me, have a beer for me. Bye for now.